Once upon a time, in a small town named Sunnyville, lived a little girl named Mia. Mia was known for her kindness and friendliness, and everyone loved her dearly. One sunny morning, Mia woke up with a big smile on her face. She decided to spread some kindness around town. She made a plan to do small acts of kindness for everyone she met throughout the day. First, she helped her mom with the chores, cleaning the house and setting the table for breakfast. Then, she gave her little brother a hug and wished him a great day at school. As she walked to school, she picked up a fallen leaf and placed it gently on a flower bed. At school, she shared her lunch with a friend who forgot hers. She even helped the teacher organize the classroom. During recess, she played with the kids who were alone and made them laugh. After school, she stopped by the bakery to buy fresh cookies for her neighbors. On her way home, she helped an old lady cross the street. When she reached home, she cooked dinner for her family and made sure everyone had enough. At bedtime, she read a bedtime story to her little brother. As she closed the book, she thought about all the nice things she did that day. She felt happy and content, knowing she made a difference in someone's day. Everyone in Sunnyville admired Mia's kindness. They realized that being nice isn't just about helping others, it's about making people feel loved and appreciated. And so, they all decided to be more kind, just like Mia. From that day forward, Sunnyville was filled with kindness, and everyone lived happily ever after, inspired by the little girl named Mia. The end.